ang tinikling.
I don't know.
Match the beat with
The beat.
down.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Ang boys nakisali pa sa pagsasayaw ni Steph at Maria.
3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3.
The guys dance with the, how is the name? Oh, the Chikiniki. Yeah.
What is it again?
Chikiniki? Yeah, right? No? What's the name? Chinikiling.
Right.
So nice. I want break for me.
Maya-maya si Yong naman ang pumartner kay Maria.
Yo, come here, babe. You're like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
No. Yung kanina yung puso ko na, tapos saya ko, parang nabidisco sa loob.
Maya-maya naman, ibinahagi ni Steph at Maria ang sikat na sayaw sa Brazil, ang limbo dance.
You guys can't touch the bar. You just can't. You gotta be like, even though you're here, you can't touch the bar, and that's the only way you can go. Okay? And you're gonna go dance.
Okay. Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. You gotta dance. Sorry. Okay, like this?
Oh, Marco.
Natuto po ako ng mga laro, yung limbo, yung dance nila, which is a really good thing kasi gusto ko talaga maging close sila, kuya.
Yo, Marco!
Si Yong ang nagpakitang gilas sa lahat.
Come on! That's so good!
Lang sa last ko, kuya eh. Oh, na-perfect kuya. Panalo po.
Ikaw nanalo.
Kuya, oo. Dilip sila hangin ko eh.
Matapos ang nakakapagod na limbo dance,
Thank you, Maria. Okay lang?
wow! Nakapag-pack massage ka pa talaga, Yong, ha? Susunod ang pagbabahagi ng masarap na pagkain ng Pinoy.
I'm vegetarian.
Hoy, sunod sa PBB Lucky Season. Maya-maya pa at nagutom na ang lahat.
The most special Filipino dish. This is called balot. Fermented duck egg. You know the yeah.
I'm vegetarian.
Here's the spiritus. Exorcism.
Nasty. It's nasty, but there's no but.
Ano nga ba ang magiging reaksyon ng housemates na first time kakain ng balot?
Nigel, for you. Go!
Oh my God!
Good, right? Good.
Sina Maymay at Kisses, hirap ring kumain ng balut.
Oh! Parang wala nga.
Enrique!
Oh! No! Timay! Timay?
No.
Oh! No!
Duck? Kuya, alam mo ba yung duck pato? Di ba yun, kuya?
Oh.
Ba't ang pangit tignan eh? Gumagano siya. Tapos, yun yung kinain mo.
Ano, kakain tayo sa labas?
Enrique, I love you!
Guys, don't look.